So if this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, I'll be so happy to see you subscribe. Shaccarri will be happy to see you subscribe to this YouTube channel and all the athletic stars. So in case you don't know, this channel is all about giving you updates on athletics. So you know exactly what to do. Like the video and subscribe. So there's a very hot match that is coming up. A very hot matchup is coming up very soon. So this matchup is going to be one of the greatest matchup ever in the history of track and field because we have some of the best sprinters in this coming up match. I'll be telling you the time, the date, and when this matchup is about to begin because it's about to happen very soon. And when I heard about this matchup, I was very happy because I am anticipating for something like this. Like we need a race whereby Shaccarri and Shericha will be put on the same lane. Wow, imagine how fire it's gonna be. Like I can't imagine and I can't wait to see how Shakari or either Sherika is going to beat the other opponent. Like but honestly I am hoping for Shakari to win. I don't know who you are hoping for, but I am actually hoping for Shakari to win. My reasons for hoping for Shakari to win is because I feel like Sherika has been winning a lot of races. Like she has been winning a lot of major races. As for Shakari, this I feel like she needs this is her moment. Okay, I just felt like she like this should be her moment to win some quite major races, and I am rooting for Shakari to win the race that is coming up in Sicilia Diamond Link on 16 of this month. Guys, please don't miss this race. It's coming up on 16 of this month, okay, July, and it will happen in Diamond Link, Sicilia. So in case you have the money to book the ticket, I'll advise you to do that because there is nothing than you seeing your stars face to face. Like I'm so happy to see that Shakari and Sherika are finally gonna run in the same lane. I would like you guys to predict who you think is going to be the winner of this race. Is it Sherika or Shakari? Whoever you think is gonna win this race is gonna beat the other opponent. Kindly comment it down in the comment section.